Hello everyone, I am Apurv Gupta. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will be talking about what are the benefits of having student college ID. Few days ago, I received my college ID. I was very happy at the time, but my mind is like,
अभी मजा आएगा ना भिड़ो.
I think student college ID is one of the most underrated thing in your college life. Most students don't know its benefit, so they don't use it wisely. In this video, I will be talking all the benefits of it. So please watch the video till the end. Hit the like button for YouTube algorithm so that YouTube know that I exist. Hit the subscribe button. Please share this video with your friends. With this, let's get started. First and one of the biggest advantage of having student college ID is that you will get unlimited Google Drive storage. Yes, you heard it right. You will get unlimited Google Drive storage if you sign up using your student college ID. If you are a content creator or someone belong to a creative field like videography, photography, etc., then 15 GB storage is insufficient for you. I personally think that 15 GB storage is insufficient for everyone after a particular point. Well, hold your excitement for a little bit. There is one disadvantage. Admin can see all your mails and all the files that you put in Google Drive. So I suggest that use Gmail and Google Drive wisely. Let me show you my Google Drive.
Let me open Google Drive. As I have got my college ID few days ago, so I haven't stored anything yet. But there is no limit set for this. So this means you will get unlimited Google Drive storage.
Second big benefit is that you will get Adobe Creative Cloud at 60% off. In Adobe Creative Cloud, there are more than 20 plus apps like Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Premiere Pro, Illustrator, Spark, Lightroom, and many more. You will get all these apps at 60% off.
Go to your browser and search Adobe Creative Cloud student discount. Click on this link. Select continue to India. Students and teachers save over 60%. You will get 20 plus apps including Photoshop, Illustrator and Acrobat Pro. You have to only pay 1600 rupees per month. Usually you have to pay approx 4230 rupees per month, but by applying student college ID, you have to pay only rupees 1596 rupees per month for the first year, and for the remaining year you have to pay only rupees 2394 per month. So I think this is a win-win deal.
Third benefit is that you will get Microsoft 365 Office for free. All the apps of Microsoft 365 Office like Microsoft Word, Microsoft Presentation, Microsoft Excel and many more, you can access them for free.
Similarly, search Microsoft Office 365 student. Click on this link. Get started with Office 365 for free. You have to put your student college ID here and you are all set to go. You will get all the apps of Microsoft Office 365 from Microsoft Outlook to Microsoft Access for free.
If you are from programming background or someone who is learning or love to do programming, then there are many benefits for you if you have student college ID. Organizations like GitHub, they have GitHub Student Developer Pack, in which they are providing premium versions of courses as well as premium version of software for free.
Search in the browser GitHub Student Developer Pack. Click on this link. As you can see, there are a lot of categories from cloud, design, developer tools, domains to virtual events. And there are a list of all the offers you will get after enrolling in GitHub Student Developer Pack. You will get premium version of Canva for 1 year. You will have free access to 25 plus Microsoft cloud Azure services plus $100 in Azure credit. You will get GitHub Pro version for free, and the list is so on. If I start to tell all the offers in this video, the video will become lengthy, which I don't want. So I will make a separate video in which I will tell you how you can apply in GitHub Student Developer Pack, plus all the offers you will get.
You can learn any new skill from digital learning platforms like Coursera, which is a very good platform. There are tons of courses available where you can learn any new skill like programming, graphic designing, psychology, and many more courses.
Similarly, if you want Coursera for free, type Coursera student. Click on this link. Write your student college ID and you are all set to go. You will get many courses from one of the 200 plus world-class universities and companies like Google, University of London, Duke University, IBM, and many more.
You will get Autodesk for free for 1 year.
If you want Autodesk for free, Autodesk is an American multinational software corporation that makes software products and services for architecture, engineering, construction, manufacturing, media, education, and entertainment industries. Type Autodesk student. Students and educators can get free 1 year educational access to Autodesk products and services. Click on this link. There's a video of 3 minutes to know how it works, and click on this link to get started.
By using your student college ID, you will not only get GitHub Student Developer Pack, courses from platforms like Coursera, Autodesk for free for 1 year, but you will get huge discount on computer accessories, and phones from brands like Apple, Samsung, Acer, HP, and Realme phones.
To get discount on computer and computer accessories, type Apple student discount. Click on this link. Save on a new Mac or iPad with Apple education pricing. You can get verified with Unidays, or you can verify through Apple. An Apple specialist will verify your eligibility using your university ID. Similarly, you will get discount on Samsung products. Type Samsung student discount. Click on this link. Welcome to Samsung's education discount program. Add your 10% education discount to most other Samsung offers to save up to 30%. Click on My Benefits. Here you will get to know about on how products you will get how many discount. Similarly, Acer is also providing you discount. Type Acer student discount. Click on this link. Get extra 10% student discount plus free shipping at Acer. For instant access to this discount, simply register and verify your student status with Student Study Beans. Similarly, HP is also providing discount. Click. HP delivers for students. Exclusive saving on HP products. Receive free shipping on all your orders. Personalized recommendation helps you find the perfect product. How to register? Click on the register button. Fill your information, use your college email ID, wait for activation link, and you will be directed to login page. Your account is ready to use. You will get some discount on Realme phones also. Type Realme phones student discount. Click on this link. You will get 5% off on any order. You just have to verify through student beans.
By using your student college ID, you can get some discount on productivity and music apps. Notion is a productivity app where you can write your notes, your projects, what you want to do in the future. I am using Notion and I am very happy with it. So you can get Notion premium version for free. There is another app called Evernote, which is a productivity app similar to Notion. So you can get Evernote premium version of 1 year at 50% discount. If you are a music listener or someone who loves to listen music, then there is one great news for you. You can get Spotify Premium at 50% discount, and you will also get some discount on YouTube Premium also.
Search in the browser and type Notion. Click on this link. All in one workspace. This app is trusted by teams at Pixar, IBM, Nike, Spotify, and Slack. Here you can write TeamWiki. You can write your projects and tasks, what you have to do in the future. You can write here notes and documentations. There is another app just like it called Evernote. Type Evernote student discount. Click on this link. Make school work with everyone. Get 50% off a full year of Evernote Premium. You just have to create your account and you are all set to go. Type in the browser Spotify student discount. Click on this link. By using your college student ID, you will get Spotify Premium at 50% off. Only you have to pay 66 rupees while you are in school. Usually you have to pay at least 199 rupees. But by using your college student ID, you will get this plan at 50% off. And I think 66 rupees is not a very big amount for any student. By purchasing Spotify Premium, you can listen to your favorite music ad-free. By using your college ID, you will get discount on YouTube Premium also, where you can watch your video without seeing any ad.
So thank you for watching this video. I have covered all the benefits of having student college ID. In case I have missed something, write down in the comment section so that other people also get to know about it. Write down in the comment section which benefit you are using right now or which benefit you will use first after getting your student college ID. Like this video, share this video with your college friends or those who will be coming in the college after some time. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the notification bell to never miss any update. With this, bye bye. I will see you in the next one.